In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app. Now select Albums or Photos at the bottom. Hold one of your pictures you wish to get rid of and use those kind of icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!